Welcome back to One Beer Job. Woo! All right. So today on One Beer Job is that what we're gonna do. Oh, hold on. We're gonna be installing. Found this on Amazon, but it's a beer phone holder, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. These parts right here will hold your phone. There's a bottom part that I will show you later on how the phone sits so it doesn't slip all the way through. And it doubles as another beer holder in your car. Phone holder. So what we're gonna do, the description said that this fits basically right in here, and then allows this to be close, so it doesn't stick out very far, but it also just holds the phone. It's a permanent attachment. Instead of getting some of those ones that, you know, are put up here, or the ones that are, you know, like if I break off my light, then you can't use it, or the ones that fit into your heater vent, AC vent. We're gonna try this one and see how this works. It came with two parts. So one part that's gonna go here, the other part that's gonna go there, just to keep the same spacing. And I think that's what this extra piece is for, is just for that spacing. So these right here, come on in. These are just Allen wrench, and so I've already loosened them. I'm going to take those out. Now, you don't want to break this plastic piece. I've seen other people remove them, but I have a 10th anniversary. I want to keep it that way. I'm using just a nice flat head that's not going to destroy anything. Some people are using plastic things to get in there, but once you get in, you just want to run it along the side. Just twist, use your fingers, and just loosen nice and gently, and it pops right out. Okay, now next, inside here there's two other screws, so you just can't pull it out. There's two other screws in there. I'm using a 5/16 nut driver. 5/16 nut driver. I've already done the other side, and this piece just comes right out. All right, so now we're just gonna go back in. We're gonna put everything back. All right, this is gonna go on the bottom. That certainly doesn't look like it fits, does it? Oh shit, I got another one. Hang on, real tight. All right, I bought two of those, one for my daughter's 07 Jeep, and then one for my 13. There are two different fits to it, so 50% chance, and I failed. Anyway, this is how it's going to look when it's going to be installed on the 13. It's going to be a straight bracket. You can see that this does open up, and then of course this piece fits just like that, so it's nice and evenly spaced. Now we're just going to install right back the way that it came. making sure that grab handle doesn't move. And then we're going to put our piece, the finished trim, back on. Looking good. They can hear your breathing on tape.
I'm sorry, it's not my fault. I have vocal cord dysfunction.
You're crazy. You're so crazy. All right, so that didn't take long. As you can see, it does hold a can of your favorite beverage, preferably not while you're driving. Do you have your phone?
I do.
And so if you're using GPS, it'll sit right in there off those edges. Doesn't look like it's terrible, but I mean, it's getting hit, it's moving, but it's pointed right at you, the driver. So tomorrow we're taking a little bit of a excuse me, a trip, and yeah. So anyway, for One Beer Job, I'm Justin. If you like it, please hit the like button, pound that like button. If you want to subscribe to the channel, yeah, pound that like button. If you want to subscribe to the channel, please hit subscribe. Get some of these other crazy videos that I'm doing. But otherwise, you know, enjoy your day. Drink a cold one. Cheers.